AUTOPSTENHOJ, the uplifting company, presents 4-ram lift, the perfect wheel alignment lift. The AUTOPSTENHOJ 4-ram lift is electro-hydraulic and has been developed especially for wheel alignments. Moreover, the lift is suitable for calibration as well as working with a headlight tester. The all-purpose lift is also suitable for check-in as well as general repair and maintenance. The programmable control unit is equipped with a separate main switch and push buttons and comes with electronic synchronization of the 2 hydraulic units. The 4 hard chrome-plated pistons achieve a working height of approximately 2 meters. Furthermore, the control unit is equipped with a parking button, meaning that the lift must be adjusted during installation to the exact ratchet leveling before it can be prepared for wheel alignment. The control unit also offers the opportunity of programming up to 4 height positions. In the unlikely event of malfunction, the standard pneumatic emergency valve becomes active. The slip plate surfaces and turntables are zinc coated and painted as standard, assuring long life and no corrosion. We recommend a zinc coating of the complete platforms. The special surface treatment meets all demands from the vehicle manufacturers and is built up in several steps. Zinc coating of sand-blasted surfaces, 2-component epoxy priming, wet painted, and finally, anti-skid coating for platform lifts. It's equipped with automatic stops according to EU regulations and is sturdy and reliable. The extremely precise slip plates have been developed by request from vehicle manufacturers. After unloading, they center automatically. The lift is suitable for and can be used with various different wheel alignment systems. The front and rear surfaces of the platforms can be equipped with different width cover plates so that turntables and slip plates are in a 50mm position. The covers are plastic coated so that surfaces will not be damaged. Fixation of the covers on a tooth list. We offer, as an option, air hydraulic scissor jacks with up to 4-ton capacity. The arms can be equipped with a variety of extra pads. When the scissor jack is moved, the patented air connection hoses disappear completely under the platforms. The set is suited for all platform lengths. Our automotive lifts are a standard equipment with CE stop as well as alarm signal for your safety. Purchasing an AUTOPSTENHOJ 4-ram lift is an investment in the future. The lift is all-purpose and can lift any vehicle from the smallest passenger car up to large transporters with a maximum lifting capacity of 5.5 tons or 6.5 tons respectively. We naturally have recommendations from leading car manufacturers. Contact us for more information or visit our website, AUTOPSTENHOJ.com. You are welcome.